Hello everyone, welcome to some basic tech and today we will discuss about Anaconda and we will start installing Anaconda on CentOS 7 and we'll check about all things whether it is working fine or something else, or if we get any error then we will try to resolve it on the same time. So let's move to the first installation part where we can just perform. So when I just try to search how to install Anaconda in Linux, I found this document and I'm going to follow this one. So let's see what happens and how we can just install it. So first of all, we need to just go to the directory where it is your user directory. So I have just taken the SSH of the virtual machine and pwd. It's for checking the current working directory. Here is the root, and now let's go to the next command, dnf upgrade. It's for just upgrading your operating system. So I don't want to upgrade my system and it's already upgraded. And now let's install the bzip2. So either you can just copy and paste the command or you can just type. So I'm just copy and pasting. It's taking a bit to respond. Let's wait. Okay, it's installing now. Okay, it's asking for to press yes. So I'm just clicking to yes. Let's see. Failed to synchronize the cache for Kubernetes, but okay, nothing. It's complete, and package is already installed. bzip2. So no need to worry about it. It's installed now. Let's do yum install wget. So wget is also installed. Wget info, is it running? Yes, it's running. Fine. Now the next command is to wget download Anaconda installer file. Okay, it's going to download now. In between, if you have not subscribed this channel, kindly do subscribe, like and share, so you can just encourage me to do it this type of things more and more. Let's download it. Fine. Let's move to the next. Next is that confirm the installer authenticity by running the command below. Okay, now let's do it also. Yeah, it's available. Fine. Launch the installer with the command below. Okay, let's do it. Enter. Okay. Yes or no? Yes. I just pressed yes, but it's still asking. Let me cancel and try to run again. Launcher is not installed with the command below. Okay, replace with launch the installer with the command below. I tried it, but it's not working. Let me do it again. In order to continue the purge, this is the license agreement. Please enter to continue. I did it. Okay, it is asking me to read the entire agreement. Now, yes or no? I'm typing yes. It's working now, so I need to type YES. Now, press enter to confirm the location. Press Ctrl C to abort the installation or specify the location below. I'm just going to install on the same location. Let's see. Unpacking payload. Let's see. Well, it's taking a bit time. I'm just fast forwarding the installation. Once it is complete, I will update it. These are the helpful commands that we can just perform after installation and preparing transaction done. Executing transformation. Okay. Do you wish to install or to initialize the Anaconda 3 by running? Okay. Press yes. Okay, fine. PyCharm Pro for Anaconda is available at this location. And by the way, thank you for installing Anaconda 3. Anaconda 3 is installed now. We just get confused on this time when it was asking to perform yes, YES or something. So it's finally installed now. And yeah, that's a cool. We only take no, it took only 10 minutes maximum to install it, and this document is really helpful. We try to do it conda list, conda version, all things we can just do it. Conda list, you can see the list of, and conda hyphen version, it's a version 4.9.2. It's installed here. And I'll load the Python programming cell using the Python commands. If you want to install Python, you can also do it. Python. So yeah, you can see the Python is here, and we can perform rest of things. So thanks for the watching. If you need any help, you can just do comment on the video. I will try to help you and sort out your issues. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.